Hi everyone, I'm teacher Nadine and welcome back to a new lesson for Protected, and today we're gonna talk about I like to share rules of respect. Good morning. How are you? Good? I miss you a lot. How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Now, if you look at the picture, you're gonna see a group of friends and they are having so fun together. And we talked before about friends. We say that a friend is a person you can play with and you can have fun with him. Rules of respect. Now, in order to respect a person or friend, we're gonna have a group of rules and they are 6. Now, we're gonna start mention them. Be a good friend. Play fair. Be kind, take turns, share, help others. One more time. Be a good friend, play fair, be kind, take turns, share, help others. Now look at the picture. What do you see? Well, you can see I see 2 friends. Okay, what are they doing? Are they playing fairly? Are they fighting? Or are they sharing each other? Now, if you look at the picture one more time, you're gonna see 2 friends and they are playing together. I can see that they are playing fairly. No one is fighting. No one is pushing the other one. And they are sharing the toys together, right? Now, if you look at the pictures here, we're gonna have a group of pictures and you're gonna remember the 6 rules of respect and think about them. So while we are looking at this picture, think about the 6 rules of respect. And let's read the questions. Which rules of respect did you follow today? And circle the images of respect that you did today. For example, did you take turns? Did you play fairly? Did you share your toys with your friend? And did you have fun? Now imagine that we are in our class and me and you are sitting together in a semi-circle and think. Were you good friends today? Well, I think yeah, I did. I am a good friend. Did we play fair? I think we did. Were we kind to each other? Hopefully, yes. Did we take turns? And this is the most important thing, is to wait for our turn. And did we share with each other? Usually or normally all the time we share our things in our class, right? Did we help each other? So if your friend asks for your help, hopefully you would help him or her, right? Now this was our lesson for today. I hope you a wonderful day and good luck. Bye bye.